Yo, 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 this is Night Trader. We are starting it up pretty early this morning. 6:17 a.m., 6:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Just give me a second. All right, so we're just looking at our morning. Let me just move this back. I'm hearing my voice and it's throwing me off. We're looking at our pre-market movers. We got our gainers over the session in the pre-market here on the left. We got our gainers and our losers over the last 5 minutes of the pre-market on the bottom left. This is our focus daily left that I've had this, or my focus daily list. I've had this for a while. I might erase these all and start over. Everything I need is pretty much right here anyway. And then here's our screener from Benzinga. We got significant trades on, so we can keep a close eye on Bitcoin as it looks like it's rallying back up over 45. We need to hold that 45 level. We got Bitcoin over here as well on TradingView. And we're also watching ETH, which follows almost the exact same pattern as Bitcoin. These significant trades, let me just move some things out of my way. These significant trades, these tell you, let me just see if you can see it in the full screen. It looks like you could see it, but I can't see it fully with this new screen setup. Okay, so these are your 30-second longs versus puts, 1 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute. And you can see right now that people are longing in very large amounts. And this is just kind of where the battle happens across all of the exchanges for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here's Bitcoin, significant. These are the significant trades. These are everybody longing and shorting in large amounts. This is anything over $100,000. No limit, millions of dollars. People are just throwing it in. They're just having their fight to kind of decide which way Bitcoin goes. And then we got the same thing for Ethereum right there. This is very valuable resource, and it's very, very free. So this is something you want to keep your eye on today. If you're in the crypto markets, we are also in the stock market today. Keeping an eye on pretty much everything that's moving. We're looking at AMC right now. Let me get this out of the way. AMC is doing pretty well in the pre-market. Let's see, where is, so 16 is 4 a.m. This is May 17th. We're looking at the 18th. Do I not have extended data on? Let me take a look and make sure that price is not correct. Let's see, 1542 pre-market. I mean, that's what it's saying here, but I'm looking at 1528, 1527 on Ameritrade right now. Any questions, just go ahead, leave them in the chat. If there's any coins or any stocks you want to go over, that'll be great. If you want to go over any news, let's see, I might want to get rid of this and put on the news feed. Just so I have that right there. And we'll go ahead and put on every source for that. So signals, don't need anything that's not in English. And we'll use these two. All right, so we were looking at actually, this is funny. We were looking at MITO before. Let's go ahead and pull it up. MITO was moving in the morning. Let me bring that baby up real quick. Hopefully you're seeing the stream okay. It says that I'm having some issues with streaming, but if you're seeing any issues, please let me know. If you feel like my levels are off, just let me know. If you have anything you want to look over, let me know. I don't know how long I'm going to run this stream for. I started pretty early this morning. I actually have some favorite YouTubers I like to watch as well. I didn't see them on, so I just decided I'd throw on my own stream. That's usually how it goes. I look for the people that I watch, and then if they're not there, then I'll do it myself. All right, so MITO had some news this morning. Oh, MITO is getting wrecked right now. You know what? Let's go to Webull. MITO is in the top gainers position. Let's see if we could pull that up. Is it coming up? It should be coming up here. All right. Arcimoto FUV receives a hold rating by 5-star analyst Amit Dayal from H.C. Wainwright. 2 minutes ago, Quest Resource, that's QRHC, received a buy rating from 5-star analyst Amit Dayal from H.C. Wainwright. About 3 minutes ago, we saw a new low for Tesla. Tesla is getting hit right now. But, you know, maybe Elon deserves it for his little Twitter storms that he's been going on. And we did learn yesterday that Michael Burry, the star, he's not the star of The Big Short, but the movie was mostly about him. He was played by, hold on, who was he played by? Was he played by Batman? Michael Burry, The Big Short. Let me just pull that up in front of me. I don't want to tell you. And I believe Christian Bale played Michael Burry. So Michael Burry was the guy that discovered that the subprime mortgages were all crap and that everybody was living in a dream world. And we found out yesterday that he's been shorting Tesla like crazy. So if Michael Burry is doing something, that's usually something you want to follow, because that dude saw the mortgage crisis, I think, a year or two before it happened. I mean, he was that good. So I've been following him. I know that he's big into water as a commodity. I'm not sure how he's doing that or what he's doing with it, but I know that that's his next big play is water as a commodity. So we're looking at Mito right now. So this is what I was telling you, right? We saw a big pop from 116 in the morning. At 4 in the morning, we were at 116. It went all the way to 193, and then pretty much immediately faded out. This is on a 1-minute chart, and it's just been dropping and dropping and dropping ever since. So here's our 200 right now. Here's our 15-day. Here's our VWAP, and then here in our purple is our 50-day moving average. I switch off between the 9, the 15, and the 21, depending on what I'm looking at. Crypto, I like to use the 21. For stocks, I like to kind of switch between the 15 and the 9. I need to switch between the 15 and the 9. So that's what I'm doing right now. Let me just go ahead and pull this out the way. So MITO getting absolutely hit right now. This is actually, is this pre-market? This is saying 118 in the pre-market, but it looked like it was doing a little bit better than that. Let's go ahead and see analysts. So this has a buy rating from 2 to 4. It's sitting at 154 right now, but it's sitting like real ugly. Like, I don't like this at all. We are just falling below each. We fell below all of the moving averages at once, including VWAP, and now we're hopefully going to land on top of 150. I'm not in this play right now. I don't like the way that it's moving. Now, right about here is probably where I would have liked to get in, obviously. But I didn't get up in time. Looks like it's turning on the MACD, and we're majorly oversold. Just got a alert new low for Tesla at 577.01. So new low for Tesla at 577.01. And that looks to be pretty close to correct. Tesla just getting sold like crazy. Well, what happened, Elon? Talking a little bit too much shit about cryptocurrency? Nah, there's a lot of reasons involved, but you know, I'm another one of those people that are salty about the way that he handled that. So, you know, he's still Elon Musk. You know, he's got all the respect in the world from me and, you know, millions and millions of other people, but he really threw a wrench in our game. So right now, let me just pull this down real quick, and let me go to my crypto bot situation. So let me just pull that out a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Is it extended on here? No. Okay, great. So Bitcoin on a tear right now. Bitcoin just jumped up about $200, $400 really in the last 20 minutes or so. Sitting at 445, 272. Let's take a look at the significant trades. Here you can see that the longs must have came in heavy. It looks pretty even actually. But the longs are taking control on the 30-second and the 1 minute. There used to be a 1 hour and a 4 hour, but I don't know if they switched up this programming. But you can see right now Bitcoin is making a break to the upside. So that's looking good. We kind of want to look at the total market cap as well for Bitcoin. I'm sorry, for crypto in general. Total is going to be Bitcoin and altcoins together, and then total 2 is just going to be the all-time market by itself. It's up 4.6%. You always want to keep an eye on the market cap because that's usually the direction that it's going. Tesla down to 576 right now. Tesla down to 576 right now. So give me a moment. Don't have enough people on the stream. I'm just going to go ahead and share this to Twitter. Like to get more people involved. I am up at 6 in the morning and I am talking when I should be paying attention to the charts specifically. But this is what we like to do. So let me just tweet that out that the squeeze is happening. We saw yesterday, and it was even confirmed by Trey, that a break over 14 should trigger the squeeze to start, or at least go on the start of its... Whoa, what is that? Just looking at some crazy Twitter pictures right now. Starbase, yeah, Elon Musk just won't shut up. This dude just keeps tweeting. He's like becoming the new Trump almost. I don't want to put him in the same area. But he is he's got to bring those tweets back, man, and start thinking a little bit before he does it. I don't know. Maybe he probably does, but... And here, right here is what I was talking about. I'm just going to put this right in the middle. Nope. All right, whatever. Put it right there. So, let's see. Did I share this to Twitter? Let me share this to Facebook. So, Michael Burry of The Big Short reveals a $530 million bet against Tesla. So, 13 hours ago. There you go. Never been more competent. Good job, buddy. Anything good going here? AMC squeezes the tweet. That's what I'm saying. Let's go ahead and retweet that. There's a nice puppy. Another oxygen tank leaving from Singapore to India. I'm told each one can help save. Oh, is he talking to made possible by BNB? Singapore to India. I feel like SHIB is the one that got all that money to India. And that's on the Ethereum blockchain. It's not one of these BNB garbage, SafeMoon crap. Not that SHIB isn't, what didn't start along the same lines as that. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's funny. Steve Harvey just followed you. Yeah, I got followed by a CFO of a major company yesterday, which I found interesting since I got, me and my mom following me. So, just kidding. My mom's not on Twitter. She's too old. But, what is this? So, this looks like it's from Crypto.com. Anyone else taking CRO? Crypto.com, I got a link in the description. I was thinking about it. What is this? When you're like, I have nothing to wear. Oh, wow. So Kim Kardashian, the talentless, fat, nasty bitch who married a moron jerk-off like Kanye, who's a true fucking putz, is going to talk shit about an actual actress who, I mean, I don't know, is she 18, 20? She's something. She don't look great there, but she looks better than that regularly. She just probably got up, did her thing, doesn't give a fuck. And then we're going to have shit talked by fat ass, nasty Kardashian bitch. Go fuck yourself, Kim Kardashian. Let's see. Sorry about that. Let's keep moving. Nothing really great here. Just a lot of people saying go AMC. I knew that Bitcoin mining killed animals, but not this. Oh, shut up. See, this is because of Elon and his bullshit, man. Elon Musk. I know you can't hear me because nobody's listening, but man, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up and go to Mars. Seriously, I respected you so much until you had to bust in on crypto. Just shut the fuck up. Here we go, Mark Cuban. Hopefully he doesn't turn on us either. But yeah, man, just shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Don't you have 19 jobs? Shut your fucking mouth already. You are turning into fucking Donald Trump is what you're doing with your Twitter. Just shut the fuck up. All right? Stop moving markets. That's not your business. Your business is electric vehicles that fuck up the environment because they take electric that's taken from coal-burning facilities, which you talk shit about Bitcoin about, and then you throw a bunch of shit in the air with your rockets. So just shut the fuck up already, you fucking hypocrite. You're a fucking hypocrite. You're a genius and a billionaire, and honestly, I do respect you. But the last week or so, you are falling off with your tweets. Just shut the fuck up, man. Please. You know, you're the man. Obviously, you know, what the fuck what can I say about Elon Musk that he gives a shit about? I'm sure nothing. But you know what? Shut the fuck up. That's just my opinion. Just shut your fucking mouth already. Seriously. Just shut up. You ain't helping nobody with your tweets. Just shut up. Pay attention to your business. Build a car that works off of cleaner energy. How about that? It's electric? Yeah, from coal power. You work on that. Work on some new power plants, buddy. How about that? All right? Work on some solar. And shut the fuck up when it comes to crypto. Honestly, that's not your business. Stick with your own 12 businesses. Fucking, he's a genius. But just shut the fuck up. God, I'm tired of his fucking hold on the markets. This asshole says something and the whole market takes a shit. He says, oh, I'm the Doge father, and we go up. Oh, I don't want to fuck with Bitcoin. Bitcoin drops. Shut the fuck up. Jesus. Talk about rockets and Mars and all your other bullshit. And you know, FYI, if you're so obsessed with Mars, go to fucking Mars, asshole. We're trying to make the Earth work. How are you going to look at Mars and be like, oh yeah, that's where we got to be? Holy shit. Oh, sorry. I thought I was in a trade. I looked to the right. I saw I was $3,000 up. I didn't realize that was my AMC position. I thought I was in a trade right now. Holy shit, I was scared. I was like, oh my God, what happened? Did I press buy market? Let me turn off active trader because I'll end up shorting Tesla like Michael Burry at the wrong time and losing my ass because Tesla does defy gravity. Listen, Elon Musk, total respect. I was a fanboy up until a week ago. Still a fanboy, but it's like talking to a friend. I'll tell my friends, hey man, shut the hell up. You talking too much. And that's what I got to say to him. I don't even want to look and see what he said, honestly. I got Twitter up on my other screen. But anyway, sorry about that rant. But yeah, some people just got too much power and nobody tells them to shut the fuck up. Like, they're just afraid or whatever it is. You need somebody with these powerful people that's just a little bit more powerful and that they are slightly afraid of getting their ass slapped by. And just every once in a while be like, hey, Elon, you see how you move the whole market? Yo, maybe it's time for you to shut the fuck up. What do you think about that? Go build your little rocket to go to Mars, which you could fuck up the atmosphere with since you're talking shit about the atmosphere. Go fuck the atmosphere up a little bit more with your rocket and, you know, worry about Mars. Because honestly, bro, why don't you worry about Earth? That's my question. Why doesn't he worry about Earth? Oh, it's not sustainable. We got to get to Mars. Shut the fuck up. How about we got to get to fixing the planet and just stay here? Why do I got to go to Mars? There ain't nothing on fucking Mars. You fucking alien weirdo fuck. I mean, he's a genius. I know I go back and forth. It's very bipolar-ish, but, you know, that shit just hit me. He cost people so much money. That billionaire. A billionaire costing people money. Let me tell you how bad that'll piss you off. Jesus Christ. Oh, the environment. Meanwhile, I'm blasting all types of shit into the atmosphere with my shit rockets, and my electric runs off of coal fuel. Yeah, shut up. Shut up. You didn't invent no different power plants. Bitcoin. Fucking asshole, man. Hook up to your miners to a solar farm. You feel so bad about it. I'll tell you right now, that motherfucker's mining. Don't act like he's not. I know he is. So, we all know. They run nodes, bro. You're not running nodes and not mining. I mean, it's possible, but it doesn't make sense. If he went into it like he did before, you know. Anyway, whatever. So, I'm going to leave that alone. Bitcoin, let's take a look. Bitcoin and Ethereum showing some signs of life this morning. Thank goodness. They have been getting beat down. Hopefully we can hold this and not see another dump down to 49. If we do dump, we will eventually hit the 39.5 mark. So we don't want to consistently get rejected and drop. We really want to, I know we're range bound. That's not the worst. That is showing consolidation, but I'd really like to be in the 45 to 50 range rather than the 40 to 45 range. That's the range I'd prefer to be in. So that's my thoughts about it. Anybody want to talk about it? You just go ahead and throw that in the chat, even though I'm not looking at the chat. I'm just looking at the Twitter right now and see if there's anything that pisses me off that I can talk about. Let's see. So this is actually not the best place for news. Let's take a look. Let me big this up so I could see my news stories. I don't know if you were watching yesterday, which you most likely weren't. I switched out one of my screens, my 32-inch for like a 55-inch, and let me tell you, that was a bad move. Because I want to set up, I had been saying, I have a challenge where I got to put another 10K on top, take my losses back, and then another 10K into my Ameritrade account, and then I'll allow myself to get a whole new system. But until then, I'm just kind of using my ghetto setup, which is a TV, an old Dell computer screen on my laptop, and then another HP laptop to my right, 2 iPads, and my phone. 2 phones, really. One of the phones I use to mine those 2 phone cryptocurrencies that I find interesting, Pi and B. Way more interested in Pi, but why the hell not? Just turn them on, let them earn something. Because let me tell you something. You never know what your stuff is going to be worth. I was into Doge. I had millions of Doge years ago. I think I sold it for $100. Somebody did the math and they're like, that'd be worth $75 million right now. I'm like, thanks, bud. I already knew. I sold Bitcoin last year, a whole bunch of it for 10 grand a coin. So, we make mistakes. I sold 4.5 Ethereum, I think in December for like $800. Over and over. So you never know. You always want to kind of hold on all your stuff. I get impatient with the values of things, and that's a problem. When you're in these markets, be patient, because it's always going to turn around. Almost always, unless World War III happens and we get nuked. Outside of that, the markets are usually going to turn, unless you're either in a shit coin, a shit stock, and most of the stuff we're looking at is quality stuff. I don't like shit coins, even though I am in... I'm not going to say it's a shit coin, but Shiba I did get into out of pure greed. I wasn't going to get into any of those. A friend kind of called me, asked me up about it. I looked into it. I saw how much. And let's even check today. Most, I don't know, viewed coin on Coin Market Cap. Now, if it's still in the top spot... Yeah. What are the most viewed cryptocurrencies? Now, Shiba Inu still in the top spot, man. Screw you, SafeMoon. I don't care for those. Oh, man, we need to get Shiba right here. That'd be beautiful. Oh, my God. Wow, that'd be beautiful. So, SafeMoon. Is SafeMoon got, what's their float? What is SafeMoon's float? I'm just wondering, because I know we got trillions of sheep. Now, sheep's been getting some crazy news. Now, first Vitalik, because you know how the shtick for these shit coins, these meme coins, has been sending half of it to Vitalik Buterin, who was like, stop sending me shit. I'm a billionaire. Stop bothering me and putting me into your stuff. So they've been sending half of their stuff to Vitalik. Let me tell you, Vitalik don't give a damn about SafeMoon. But with Sheep... Hold on, real quick. What is this? Is this a trillion? So, thousands, millions, billions. Yeah, so I think it's the same circulating supply. Oh, it's got way less circulating, though. So, that's actually really good for them. All right, hey, listen, I hope everybody makes money, but if it has to be between SafeMoon and Sheeb, I pick Sheeb all the way, because Sheeb you can actually find. I don't want to go get Pancake or whatever that garbage is. Go over to BNB, swap it for this, swap it for that, walk 5 miles, call my broker, do a backflip, get some water, drink some coffee, and then I got some SafeMoon after all that. And then what, how many 1538 fucking steps do I got to do to sell it? I don't even know. But you buy Sheeb, on Binance and you sell it on Binance. You buy it on crypto.com and you sell it on crypto.com. And let me tell you, I was not into these, but a friend called. I told him, do not get into that crap by any means necessary. Look at the volume difference. Just give up. See, now, if all these people give up on this garbage, because this is garbage. Shiba's started as garbage just like this, but actually is building itself into something. So leave this garbage. Come over here. I'm sure there's a lot of SafeMoon people telling me to go fuck myself right now, and that's fine. Fuck you too. All right? You know what? I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I'm just, confrontational. Not fuck you. Come to our side. Get in on the top one, because you already did what you got to do here. People are going to figure this out, okay? This has nothing backing it. There ain't nothing behind it. It's impossible to get. There's 1,900 steps into it. I mean, it's really not. It's like 4 steps, but 4 steps I don't want to take. When I just log into Binance, buy it, boom. Log into Binance, sell it, boom. And anyway, so, I don't even need to go over it because I know I have my heart at this point, but Shiba Inu, so they sent half of their coin supply to Vitalik Buterin, the inventor of Ethereum. I don't know, it's something like 500 trillion. He sent 10% to the India COVID relief fund, which everybody in Sheeb was ecstatic about. They're like, yo, this guy's giving to charity. Now we got to buy for charity. So boom, #1 positive catalyst on Vitalik. Then Vitalik goes and burns 410 trillion tokens. I believe 410 trillion. Yeah, because he had 500 trillion. 41% of the supply he burned 2 days ago. Then there's a rumor, I don't know if it's true. I believe he got rid of, let me take a look. I believe he got rid of the last 5%. Sheeb token. Oh my God, and Sheeb's in the news. SafeMoon is not in the news. I mean, I don't get it. It's like you see this superior meme coin with actual backing, yet you're still behind this. This is not safe, and this is not going to moon. Okay, this is your moon. 8,100 Satoshis. This is not going anywhere, I guarantee you. I don't care if it's talked about. And I know SafeMoon and Shiba are fighting right now, but I'm on this side right here. I hope you make some money. I hope you made money, but there ain't nothing backing this, and it's 18 steps to get. And nobody's listing this. I'm telling you right now, nobody's listing it. They're just not. That's a lot of watch lists. That is a lot of watch lists. 1,400,000 watch lists. Let's take a look. I wish we could compare. There probably is a way to do it, but I'm looking right now. Nobody's really saying nothing or asking any questions, so I'm just going to kind of do my crazy shit that I do. I'm cursing today. I'm being myself. I don't care. That's just what it is. Oh, my computer is running hard right now. I got to make that 10K on AMC. I'm not on AMC. I got to make millions on AMC. On Ameritrade today. Because I really want to get that new computer. And I won't feel right about it until I up my game. So let me take a look. So that was on over 1 million watch lists. Let's see if Shiba has the same. I know they're getting searched way more. Oh, less watch lists. Don't like that. But 27. 27 in market cap. I mean, 27 versus 202. I'm just saying, if you had to pick one or the other, pick the one with all the, that still is cheap as hell to get into. SafeMoon's 4x this right now. And it just has continuous good news. I don't see any good news for the SafeMoon stuff. I think you had your shot. And then now they're like starting to just throw coins in. Oh, Akita this and da 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 da. And I honestly don't even want to talk about them. They're not worth talking about. Here's your 2 last meme coins. Stop making crap meme coins, you assholes out there that are just trying to rip people off. Just stop. AMC getting wrecked right now at 1508. I think we're going to come back, but we broke VWAP about 20 minutes ago, and we are just falling right now. But let me just go to that. Trading view chart. Where are we? So stealth. Did I put stealth on my watch list? Let me just add that in because that might be another mover later. AMC though. AMC taking a dive right now. It's not reflected in what I'm seeing, but all right, this doesn't make sense. Is it happening so fast? TradingView is really starting to suck for me. I don't know if I'm going to give up the platform because now I'm into Motive Wave. It's not, I don't know. They both have their pluses. I really, really like, I mean, Motive Wave is just better. But TradingView, I'm so used to. I mean, I learned how to chart on this. I've been on it for years and years. You know, premium for like 3 or 4 years now, every year. And if you're ever going to get TradingView, always get it. I think I have a link in the description, but you want to wait until Black Friday, 60% off. So every year I re-up on Black Friday, 60% off. I think it ends up being like $289. I don't know, something. But it's a good deal. Let me go back to AMC. So this isn't reflecting it. This isn't reflecting it. Is Motive Wave? Let me see. What do I want to back out of? Just give me a moment. Flow panel. Okay, market makers, bid and ask. Exit strategies. Let's get rid of this. Okay, apply. Okay, apply. Okay, there we go. That's way better. All right, so let me put you up. So this is Motive Wave. Is it? Yeah, Motive Wave is actually working correctly. So this is like the bomb. I'm trying to get a referral system with them. I know I don't have enough subscribers, but let me tell you, they have this predictive Elliott wave, and it's worth its weight in gold. So we're on a 1 day. I don't want that. I want a 1 minute. So this is where it's saying that we're going to go in the 1 minute. I have it on a very similar setup. This is on my 15. It's got my 15, my 50, my 200. Well, my 200's over there. This is a trend line. Let's see. This is my VWAP. So it's set up just like everything. And when you're on multiple places, just make sure that all your colors are kind of the same. So like my 200 EMA is always red. My 50-day SMA is always purple. My 9, 15, or 21 day, which is what I switch between in my simples, is always blue. So I always know. And my VWAP is always like orangish yellow, and it's usually dashed. Sometimes it's not, but it's usually dashed just so I can see, because VWAP, honestly, like if I had to pick one, I would probably just use VWAP. But since I have access to all of them, I love this thing, and I'm trying to get, I'm trying to work with them on some things. Hopefully they care enough to want to. I haven't heard anything back. I sent an email yesterday. I felt like I might have been overreaching when I was talking to the lady, because she had agreed to all the things I asked for, and then I'm like, oh, hey, can I get this too? Then I didn't hear nothing back. So it never hurts to ask, but just don't piss off the people. I'm thinking she might have got a little upset, or maybe not. I don't know. It wasn't really like I insulted her or whatever. I was just trying to get more money, you know, off of the cost, because it's like $2,500. I'm buying it. Like, they have a monthly 160. I'm just gonna buy it straight out. It's like 20 something. Let's take a look. Let's talk about them, because I really, really like them. And here's the few news stories about Vitalik. So burned $6 billion in SHIB token. That was the 41%. I mean, the dude is just doing right. He did right. I think they're all. I don't think he has anymore. I don't think he has anymore. He did right by the community. So Vitalik, you're the man, bro. You are the man. You're definitely taking up where Elon fell off, because Elon was helping us for like 3 minutes, and then I don't know. I don't know if his alien overlords told him that he needs to mess with crypto or whatever it is. But he needs to take a rocket and fly his ass to Mars and shut up. Still respect him, obviously. What am I going to say about a powerhouse like Elon Musk? I'm sure he's got triple my IQ. That's great. I don't know what his girlfriend looks like, and I know he's got a weird kid with like an asterisk and like a hashtag in his name. I don't know. The dude's an alien, bro. But I think he's starting to fall off. Like, he's really... People are starting to kind of get, you know, like, it's like kind of enough of you right now. So anyway, nobody in the chat right now. If you got any questions, if you got anything to say, if you want to talk about it, let me know. I'm just going to make a quick note. Going over all the big stocks and cryptos today. Will we see AMC and GME squeeze? Let me know your thoughts. Boom. Oh, I misspelled something and that pisses me off. Let me get that out the way. Alright, let me post that up. Let me pin it because it's one of those weird things. I don't know. I'm trying to get some traction on YouTube. I'll tell you, it is a pain in the balls. Takes forever. And there's a few dudes, I don't know. I guess it just takes time, and I'm not a patient dude. But you need to have patience, you know, in the have patience in the markets. That's where I try to have my patience. I don't have it with people normally, but try to have patience with the markets because Warren Buffett once said the market, what was it? You know what? Let me not tear his shit apart. Warren Buffett, patient on the market, I'm just going to say. It's somewhere in here. The stock market, here it is. The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. So don't be the impatient that's getting the money transferred away. That's the point there. Night trader. Whoa, one karma. Great. I must have said one thing. All right. So anyway, that's Shiba. So much upside to be had. So much more going on than this. Just my opinion. I hope you all make money. But I'd really like if you guys just switch teams, came over to the easier one. I know gas fees were a little crazy, but Ethereum's taking a dump. They're going down some. NFTs are mostly on the ERC20 platform. Come to this side, man. You don't want this. This ain't doing nothing. This might last. This, I don't know, long term. Long term, this is going to, when the rug goes, this is gone. This might have a system still. So... You know, look at those volumes. So this volume can bench this volume and its max. I mean, just, you know. So, I don't know. If you're in a safe mood, though, go ahead and, you know, let me know. You know, come on in. Tell me your reasons why. That's cool. If you made money, I'm happy. I want everybody making money. I think that's probably one of the biggest issues with the world. People that get in trouble, break laws, do things that are bad. They're either super rich and greedy or they're just desperate. And I think that it's more often desperate people that are in, you know, bad financial situations. And it just ends up making the world a better place. So if everybody had everything they needed, we'd have a much, much happier population, obviously. And then beyond that, we wouldn't have to worry about taking away your rights because nobody would be thinking about robbing you or killing you. They'd be more focused on getting their money, you know, getting their life, getting their family right. You know, getting whatever they need for themselves and not worrying about you or trying to take from you. And that's just what it is, you know. That's why everybody should do well. You know, I never really wish on anybody to do bad. I mean, I can hate you and I might say some messed up shit to you if we got problems. But outside of that, I generally hope that everybody's doing okay because it just makes the world a better place. So here's Litecoin right now that I'm looking at. Looks like we're having a little bit of a fade. Let's keep our eyes on the total market cap because that is the way that the crypto is going. Let me just get it. So we're at 2.09 trillion, which is nice and healthy. I almost want to draw some lines. I might, now that I have this little neater chart, I backed out of my chart with like the 15, what do you call it? with like the 15 indicators. I still like it, but it's just too heavy for you know, for streaming. So let's take a look. Let's do some drawings on the 1 minute. I just switched it to the dark theme because the freaking screen is so huge it is burning my eyes out. I tried to lower the brightness. It's not really working for whatever reason. So I need to thicken these up because I cannot. Maybe I need to change the color to white. Yeah, that'll be easy. Okay. So that's a first. I'd actually like this to do it itself. Maybe if I do this. Let me go to the one with all the staff on it. And maybe I'll just cut some stuff off so it's not as nearly busy. But I like the auto trend line. So patterns I'm liking. Let me get rid of my Tories. Yeah, because that's super heavy. And let me just get rid of the patterns for now because that's super heavy. These are all lines of resistance. I feel like they're valuable. Not really that much more in here. It just has the triangle, the TDH. I really like the TDH. Maybe I'll take that out too. Yeah, it brings a lot with it. So let's leave that out too just to keep this kind of neat for now. It's still a little heavy, but it's... There we go. Let me just lighten this up a little bit. I don't know why it's fibbing on that. It really should be doing the fib from there to there. That's kind of strange, but I guess it went to the highest top and then the next low. So I guess that's all right. I would like to... I guess that's the beauty about doing it yourself is that you could just draw your own. All right, well, anybody got any questions? I don't see any questions. I'm doing my thing. Let's go back. I'm getting a little distracted. I might even shut down the stream, kind of, because like I said, I am getting distracted, and I want to trade today. And this is more... there's actually somebody that I want to watch, and I'm pretty sure he's streaming right now, and I kind of want to watch him. He's got a good vibe that I like. But, and I'm not getting enough viewers right now. So like I said, you know, I want to do this, but with, you know, my patience is only in the market. Like, big, YouTube, I'm trying to keep it going, but it takes so long to just get into any type of algorithm or whatever. Let me just speed this up. What's this? Benzinga, are you working? Thank you, Benzinga. So here's your gainers right now over the session in the pre-market. It's finally getting some light out. It was dark a few minutes ago. I'll probably keep the stream running for a while, see what happens. Maybe we'll get some viewers in here. Maybe we'll get some questions. But if nobody talks to me probably in the next hour or so, then I'm just going to cut it before market open. And I'm going to concentrate on trading because that's where the money's at. I'll make some individual videos. That's probably the way that I need to do it. I haven't made really any videos, maybe like one or two. It's all been live streams, and I'm just not getting the traction I want. New low for GME 178.70. New low for GME 178.70. But you know, it's just taking a little bit longer than I want, and like I said, I'm just getting impatient. And you know, I don't want to stream to 2 people. I know that it's gonna be like that for a while, but if I'm not gonna get the traction that I need, you know, I'm just going to focus on what helps me get that traction. And I think that's just making the short videos and not really streaming. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what I really like to do. But I don't like to stream and just talk to myself because then I feel like a lunatic. I'm in mental health. So talking to yourself is like one of the telltale signs that you're schizophrenic. I'm not schizophrenic. I'm just trying to get you guys to talk. Trying to get some views. Lots of stuff going on right now. AMC, is it finally showing what's happening? All right, yeah, AMC is getting wrecked right now, but we made such a move yesterday, and we're still over the 1450. We want to stay over 1450. We want to stay over 1450, and then we want to blast off. We want to stay over 1450 for the regular market, and then I believe that we will pick back up. We're at 1485 right now, getting kicked in the face. Let's take a look at the market cap of the total market cap for crypto. And what's happening with it? So it's consolidating right now. It had a bit of a little parabolic hit or move from 206 to 208. Just boom, 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 boom. Barely any red. Usually sees a fade when you see something like that. So yeah, I just wanted to switch over to this one because you see how this is automatically drawing the trend lines now. I don't have to worry about doing, it's automatically doing the fibs. I don't have to worry about doing that. And then it's also finding patterns like falling, rising wedge, symmetrical triangles, right triangles. Yeah. So like, you know, whenever you see a falling wedge like that, it's almost guaranteed to come back up. Your triangles could go either way. It depends on how many touches you have. Usually a 3 touch on each side. This one looks like, I don't see a top for this triangle. Where's the top? It must be faded in with this. Oh no, it started right here. So it started right there. 1, 2, 3, boom, fall. But then it hit VWAP and then just came right back. So we like that. We like that. We want to see strength. We want to hold over this 2 trillion. We want to go way up. We don't want the markets fighting with each other, the traditional markets, or at least the stock market. I'm going to go with just, you know, the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ. We don't want to fight, and the Dow. We don't want to fight with crypto. We want to both be making the money that we need to make. Pulling over to my right screen right now. I'm not going to pull it up because it's on another computer, so I can't. But Bitcoin sitting at 45,294, now at 45,307 and rising. Wow. So let me pull this up actually. Bitcoin just on a tear. On a tear. Longs are overtaking. Now what we want to see right here is like 100 million to like a million. Let me pull up my stream just so see. It looks like everything is in your view. Like I said, with this new screen, a few things are missing from my view when I full screen it, you know. I'm going to go ahead and take a break real quick, go outside for a few minutes. If you got any questions, please leave them in the chat. Like I said, there's other people, there's other things I want to do as well today. I want to focus on my portfolio a little bit more, my Ameritrade portfolio. Everything else is doing okay. I want to kind of nurture my crypto bot, make sure that's doing well. Let's see where we're at right now. Weak profits, but I'm on a very, very small. My trades are only for 1.5%, so you're talking like 15% if it's only like if there's no safety orders. The more that you dollar cost average in on my bots are DCA bots, and the more that they fall, the more that they make when they come back. Walmart's earning EPS 1.69 versus 1.21 forecast, so we're probably going to see a pop in Walmart. That's WMT. Keep your eyes out on WMT. I'm not going to pull it up because I don't care about Walmart. I'm not in that stock. Now, if somebody requested it, we would go over it, but nobody has requested anything, so we're just going to keep rolling. But you know what? Like I said, I'm going to take a break. I can only talk to myself for so long. Let's keep the market cap right there. This will be on crypto for now. Let me take a look at Benzinga, see if anything's moving. What time is it? It's 7:06. We still got 2.5 hours until market open. Nikola in the top spot of gainers. Or Nikola, didn't they drop a truck down a road and pretend it was driving? Why are people still paying attention to them? Like, they should have been arrested for that. Like, your hydrogen shit don't work. Just get the fuck out. You're garbage. Nikola is garbage. What a Tesla ripoff. And we all know that Michael Burry thinks Tesla's going down, so Nikola sure as hell ain't got no damn chance. So, Nikola, you can roll. Anyway, I'm going to leave this up for now. This is really... I could put Bitcoin up here, but you're going to be probably more into... screw it. I'll just put Bitcoin up. It's fun to watch. Here's Bitcoin. Here's your significant trades. This is all of your over $100,000 moves across every single major market. They're all right here. And even extending, they would extend further if this was larger. But there's like 20 exchanges in this, all the biggest exchanges, all aggregate together. You can see how, and they basically average the price here. So this is giving you an average price over all the exchanges. Because it's a pain when you're going from exchange to exchange. Let's see. So 100 and something stories. This isn't really looking well in a small area. So, you know what? Let me X this out. I want to keep the news. Squawk box is on. But it's not, I don't have enough, like, it needs to be open for me to see it right. For me to, like, get what I need. So I get, you know, that. Actually, I can't even see the end of it now. Alright. So what we're going to do is, come on, get out of here. Benzinga has been slow. Is this going to, yeah, it's being slow. All right, so here you can see the news stories. You can at least see the news stories that are going. So I'm going to go on a break real quick. I'm just going to throw my Be Right Back on now while I'm talking to you. I'm going to be right back. Gainers over the session of the pre-market here in the left. Microvision on a tear today. Gainers and losers over the last 5 minutes of the pre-market. S&P we were trading yesterday. But we kind of fell off because we started streaming. We were paying more attention to that. I ended up getting a little bit of a headache after trying to get some stuff fixed. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and take a break. Anybody that comes in, go ahead and leave your messages in the chat. Besides that, I'll be right back. Thank you. All right, guys, I'm back. We're looking at a few of the movers right now. I am looking at, let me go and find it, ONTX right now. I got in a little bit on the pump. I'm waiting for a break back over 83. Let me see if I could find it. Is it on my list? Let me go ahead and put that on my list. ONTX. We are moving this morning on news. Hold on. And you can see the rip right here. So we are ripping on earnings, I believe. Let me look at my news. So Guggenheim initiates coverage on Onconova Therapeutics with a buy rating, announces a price target of $4. We're sitting at 79 cents right now. I got in a little bit for 100 shares. I'm hoping that it doesn't fade back. I'm going to hold on to it for a little bit. I'm going to throw it into Motive Wave as well and see what the Elliott Wave says about it. I'm thinking about shutting down the stream so that I could focus solely on trading today because I think it's going to be a crazy, crazy day. I would like to stream during it, but I just don't know if I have the attention span to pay attention to both because I'll just end up being quiet, staring at a chart for a minute. So I'm probably going to close this down actually and focus on what I'm doing. I'll be back probably a little bit later, depending on, what's going on with the market. And I just want to thank you if you came by and checked us out today. But we're going to shut it down early. I want to focus on, like I said, I want to focus on what I'm doing and really just worry about making the money in the market today rather than building up the channel. So let me just go ahead and stop the stream now. I'll probably make a video a little bit later and put one out. I'm going to start doing small little videos and throwing them out there instead of live streaming as much. Besides that, I hope everybody has a good day. Keep an eye on ONTX. It's popping right now. Keep your eye on Bitcoin. The crypto market. Bitcoin is already up to 45.5. And it looks like ONTX is up to 81 cents. And it hopefully is in for a continuation. It just broke over the 15-day moving average. So we're rocking and rolling right now. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and drop this stream. And I'll be back a little bit later. And hopefully we can get some people in there and talk a little bit. All right, so Night Trader is out. I hope you all have a very profitable day. I'm going to go check out some other things and keep my eyes on the charts. And I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you soon.